Hi, this is Gene with Fuse, and today we're going to talk about Smart Water Valve. Smart Water Valve is the device that is installed on a main water line of your home, and this valve serves two purposes. Purpose number one is going to be monitoring of the water source of your house. So we are monitoring water pressure, water temperature, and water usage. So you will know every single second what's going on with the water in your house. Second, and the most important, is it is a safety device. It can shut off main water to your house. So how it works? This valve is connecting to the smartphone with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and you have an app on your phone where you can monitor water temperature, water pressure, and water usage. And also it's calculating the water usage in your home for a period of time, usually about 1 week, and getting the average of that water usage. And in case if one day this water usage rises up drastically, it's sending you notification that we need your attention, it might be water leakage somewhere in the house. If you do not respond this notification, this valve will be automatically shutting off water source to your home, protecting it from flooding and any other water damage. Also, this water valve can be installed with several remote sensors, which can be placed somewhere in your house in the places with a possible flooding. And if it will sense any water in those particular areas, it will also automatically shut off water to your home to prevent any water damage. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.